bunch. So now from BJ's like the other day, so now I'm putting them in the fridge. So I'm just doing that right now. And today, got a couple things. Obviously, going to the store, making stuff happen. After the store, what else I got? I'm actually doing something that's real exciting. Make sure y'all stay and y'all get to see that. I'm gonna make it like a little surprise to y'all. I mean, it might be cool, might not. So I got that going on later on. I hate when the fridge makes that noise because it's open too long. But so I'm doing that little surprise joint, going to the store. It's the weekend, so I should be recording a new episode tomorrow for our podcast. And yeah, just vibing, chilling. Right now I'm about to like meal prep, make some, lettuce, plates, I don't know what, salad or whatever you want to call it, make a salad. And that's it really. Other than that, just chilling, catching the vibe. It's the new year. Doing what it do, man. My gym's still not open. So in reality, I probably should have went to the gym today, but didn't happen. So just patiently waiting, making sure I eat right, so that way I don't have to worry about the repercussions. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully y'all having a good day. Y'all having a good whatever week. Y'all had a good week. And we'll go from there, man.
Egg fest.
Now tomatoes on.
Alright, y'all. So obviously I had said peace, but I decided to give you guys a cool visual of me making meal preps for today. So this looks crazy. There's a lot going on. This is lettuce, avocado, croutons, and tomatoes. So this is gonna be a meal for later on today. I use avocados. I ran out of tomatoes to show you, but tomatoes, you get to see it. You've seen it. But just was sharing that with you guys. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure y'all having a good time, and if y'all want the recipe, y'all seen it, y'all witnessed it, ask questions. I use half an avocado per bowl. A lettuce made 2 bowls for me. A full tomato, and croutons. I might have added too much, but who knows? I don't know. Now, then I'm gonna add the season or French dressing to finalize it when I eat it. Probably eat it in like 5 to 6 hours or something. All right, peace.
It's good, guys. With this guy right here getting some work. Say what up.
What's going on?
So right now we're on the computer, reading, doing research, and following up with customers. We're just today's gonna be a slow day. We have some production that we have to do, but I feel like we could finish it fast. So we're doing like due diligence and like doing research, and on like marketing, what is it, sales, team stuff, and like whatever we have to do. So we're basically playing catch up with stuff that is long overdue or necessary for the upcoming months. So we're just like paying attention to all those things. We have some checklist that we have to check, and we're just taking it one day at a time. Right now, he's reading an article on screen printing, like ways to grow screen printing business or whatever. I'm doing some design work for customers that I had due, so I'm working on that right now, and we just chilling, man. Oh, and he's the man because he got
Watch that football, man.
NFL Network up there, so
Saturday.
that's lit. I see my pimple. Oh, y'all don't see it? Yeah. Nah, but yeah, basically we got NFL Network on here. So we vibing, man. We cooling.
They said almost everyone has had a bad business experience, whether it's witnessing a mistreated customer or being that customer. But there are ways to keep that negativity out of your business model. If you're knowledgeable, helpful, friendly, polite, and flexible, you're likely to get repeated business. Do anything you can to meet your customers' needs within reason. You may not have what every customer is looking for, but guiding them in the right direction gives you a lasting impression as a helpful, accommodating business.
So that's customer service 101. So just reading that is important because you need to like sometimes tell yourself that, you know, even if you're having a bad day, when you come in ready to work, you got to make sure the customer's happy. So it's one of those things. You could also, the customer could be having a bad day, but you got to make sure you not match their energy, but give them the best potential customer service possible. So it's a tricky world, you know, but you just got to make sure you do what you got to do, all right? So I'm going to holler at y'all. That's what we're doing right now. I got to get back to this design. I'm going to talk to y'all later. So guys, I spent like an hour and 45 minutes designing something, and I lost it. I created a mock and everything, and the computer just shut down. Why? I can't tell you. Just not my lucky day right now, my lucky moment. I designed 3 options for the design, and I don't know if it's the charger, the battery charger or whatever, but the computer shut down. Now, it's done this before a while ago, but it wasn't something that I was paying attention to, but I guess it shut down at moments where it wasn't really affecting me. But right now, I was like, oh, I'm feeling it right now, and I'm mad. Obviously, I'm not showing no emotion. So I scheduled a Genius Bar appointment so I could go figure out why. I was debating whether I should buy a new battery charger, but I'd rather go and figure it out. And I had Googled, like, you know, computer shutting down unexpectedly or whatever. So worst case scenario, if it's something wrong with the computer or if it is the charger, they'll just shut it. I mean, they'll just tell me what to do. So I'm better off just going there versus taking things into my own hand. But yeah, it sucks, man. I just
did all that work. It definitely was on the computer for like an hour and 30 minutes doing that. And I gotta start over. I mean, I guess I'll be able to start over quicker. I kind of remember what specific fonts I was using and all that stuff, but part of the game, man, part of the game. I went 45 minutes of my time just went down the drain in a matter of seconds. 2 seconds, second. Whoop. I was like, oh, man. Yeah, so got to start over again. I was about to go on the second project, and everything would have been going perfect. But it's not the type of day I'm supposed to have right now. But, you know, I could be mad. I definitely was mad. I'm still mad right now, but I got to get up and move on, man, and get to it. So that's what I'm doing. And, yeah. That's it, man. So my design is gone, messed up. I'm feeling it. I gotta do it again. All right. You hear him with the jokes? Want me to do it? All right, man. Let me get back to it. Imagine if there was a deadline. It would have been crazy. I mean, there is a deadline, but it is what it is. All right. I'm gonna holla at y'all. I just didn't. I didn't want it. What's up, y'all? Taking a quick break. Eating my food from earlier.
Who's on fan?
No, bro, no.
Why not?
Yeah, this setup fail. Yo.
Huh?
Yo, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, let me eat. Don't put too much, but just put enough, you know? Some of y'all might consider this too much because I'm still going. It is. It's not too much. But, yeah, man. So we've been working, like I said earlier. I lost that design. So now it's break time. I gotta eat. Starving.
Bob, we gotta go home.
2021, he's still asking to go home. To me, I don't know why. Had some customers come in. A couple customers came in. So.
I remember this bread, bro. I remember this bread. My mom used to work at some legal seafood.
A bomb?
My mom.
It was bomb?
Yeah, bro.
Was it bomb?
Mm-hmm.
You know where they have good bread? Texas Roadhouse.
Oh, yeah. That thing is like crazy. Cinnamon, sugar.
Mm-hmm. The avocados hitting. The lettuce, the croutons.
Right. Merci bon Dieu pour le chiffonné.
Chiffonné. I'm getting stacked.
No, mean it.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Life, you know. You just gotta grind it out.
No? That's it?
Uh-huh.
We on live?
No, I'm just recording. I don't be on live.
Oh, you don't do live like that?
I just be eating and talking to fans, and then I put it on YouTube.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I gotta step my game up, you know?
You can go live, but they might not like you eating and talking to them, you know?
That's rude.
YouTube, well, I mean, some probably don't like it too, but I don't know. I'll do it on live too, on my live. I'll do it on my live.
What?
You never know, they might ask me what I'm eating or something.
Oh, what live?
Hmm? What'd you say? No, I won't do it, bro. I can do it. I wonder if people would just like watching me sit and eat all day. Like whenever I eat, I purposely record it and just me eating.
Never know, maybe. I might learn something from you.
I would just eat. But I mean, I'll talk too, just like that, but it all depends.
Merci, je suis connu.
Il était chez oui. That was good though.
You go eat out. You go eating out.
I still gotta go show y'all that surprise too. Later on, I ain't tell y'all about. Y'all gotta see it.
What's surprise?
You'll see it when you watch my YouTube video. You don't.
Huh?
I'll tell you when I turn the camera off. Maybe. It's a surprise for my followers.
Surprise.
I might not even write it on the caption so they get to, you know, actually experience the surprise.
That's messed up. I think I need a laptop today.
Take it with you. The croutons are crunchy.
What?
Croutons are crunchy, which is good. Guys, I can't wait till my gym's open back up. I wonder if maybe tomorrow I'll pull up to the gym. I don't know. The gym's been trying to like charge you up.